Want to know how to change public account to private on Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change public account to private on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here there are multiple options. Tap on the privacy option. At the top you can see the private profile option. Now toggle the switch right beside it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the OK option. So this is how you can change a public account to private on Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.